This is the Ceram-Back elbow that is typically used for abrasion resistance in light flow or small particle systems.
Progressive Products have been manufacturing the Ceram-Back elbow for more than 40 years. With the Ceram-Back elbow, the material is going to wear out the metal on the inside, just as it would in a typical application. However, once it is wore through, then it is hitting against the much harder Ceram-Back backing. The Ceram-Back elbow has a jacket across the back of a bare or core elbow, which is approximately 1/2 inch of ceramic compound. This compound has a Mohs hardness of 9+, second only to diamond, which has a Mohs hardness of 10. The ceramic jacket and core elbow are then wrapped with an exterior material to maintain hoop strength. Once the core elbow has worn through, abrasion is then transferred to the ceramic outer jacket, therefore increasing the life of your elbow. The metal core also acts as a static conductor. Ceram-Back elbows are found in many different applications, including plastics, grain, pet foods, many other applications.
I would not recommend using the Ceram-Back elbow for any application that has particle sizes over 1/8 to 1/4 inch and that impacts the elbow aggressively as it passes through it. At that point, you would want to upgrade to a more abrasion-resistant elbow.
Designed to eliminate unwanted costs such as maintenance, loss of material, and system downtime, abrasion-resistant Ceram-Back elbows easily replace the conventional elbow without changing the line flow and are manufactured to remain in a pneumatic conveying system much longer. This means you can reduce cost, improve efficiency, increase production.
The ceramic that is applied to the elbow can be put completely around it, 360 degrees. It can be put on an articulating elbow that goes and curves in a different direction at the end of it. It can be put on T fittings, Y fittings. Any application you have a wear issue with, this compound can be utilized on.
Ceram-Back elbows can have a variety of ends. We can do a plain end to allow for a coupling fit up. We can also use flanged ends or Victaulic grooved ends.
Ceram-Back elbow can be used in any application, with flanges, without flanges, with just a regular elbow.
The Ceram-Back elbow can actually increase the life of the bare elbow by 8 to 10 times the life in those typical applications.
We recommend using our product over others because we stand behind our product with a guarantee. If we tell you to use this elbow, it's going to work.
For more information, call the experts at Progressive Products.